put a finger down if you got the day off and you decided to go hiking in 20-degree weather, cook macaroni and cheese, and try to make apple pie on a camp stove. I'm only doing the one finger version because if anyone else is crazy enough to try this, they might have lost their fingers to frostbite. Wow, what do we have here? This is a pretty large tree, and this is a very popular trail. This is a trail I showed at the beginning of the hike that was marked easy. People walk this all the time. It looks like we had a tree come down. It doesn't look like it had a very big root system. Wonder when this came down. Surprised they haven't taken it out because this trail is so popular all year round. We got a second tree down on this trail. This must have just happened. We had a windstorm about 2 nights ago, and I'm gonna guess that's when these came down. Because otherwise they would have taken care of them, I think. This is Fisherman Trail where I'm on now, marked easiest, and that trail there will take you up to where I just was, up to the ridge. That one's also marked easy, but once you get to the ridge, it turns into that most difficult. We have the lake. You can see, I don't know if you can see, but it's starting to freeze up at the edges. It's not quite as fun hiking in the snow and somebody else has already plowed through it. Actually, there were some skiers out here too. I wonder how they got over the trees. So back to the stairs. Came back that way. Earlier I went up there. Train car. Path back, trail back. This is on top of the dam. You can see there's been lots of people here now. There's the lake again. I'm a hiker. Of course I would find the windiest, coldest day of the year to go hiking in and enjoy it. So once I have this hike finished, there's probably 2 more I'm going to do between here and summer, at least. Decent hikes. I'll probably get out for some short hikes here and there. So in the meantime, I may start compiling the last 5 years of hikes into some videos. I don't have video clips per se, but I do have lots of pictures. So I think I'll put them in in a video format to record those hikes. We're hikers. Of course we're gonna go find every heated bathroom and go hang out there for a while. We're hikers. Of course we carry Rubik's Cubes with us. Wait, what? You don't? People don't carry them with them? Why not? You don't hike with a Rubik's Cube? They're weird. But line up again. That stuff goes upstairs. Ended up not being able to take the pump off the bottle, but it wasn't leaking at all. I flipped it over. And my hands were just cold and it's on there tight. So I just brought it home, so I'll take it off now. And if you could just feel the heat radiating off that, it feels so good.